okay. You know? I'm just balled up with joy. Yeah, he should be here any minute. Oh, hey, what do you know? It's my friend! Yes! I knew he'd show.
Hello, Ralph. It is a very good day today. Sorry I'm late. My camera got stuck in traffic. Wow, my parents were right. It is very stylish to wear your pants up high.
Yeah. Well, hey, Vishnu.
Hello.
Yeah. Wait, why'd you come to the back door? Normally you're supposed to go to the front door.
Well, why wouldn't I come to the back door? In India, it is tradition that we always come to the back door.
Well, I guess that's okay, you know? Yeah, so before we start playing, I just wanted to know if, you wanted to know and get to know each other better before we start, playing.
Well, that sounds all right.
Yeah, all right. Well, here, why don't you take a seat, okay? Yeah. So as you know, my name's Ralph.
Yes,
and your name's Vishnu.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So where are you from, like China?
Actually, Ralph, I'm from India.
India? Well, that's cool. Yeah. Your voice sounds funny. You know that?
No, my voice don't sound funny. Your voice sounds funny. No one voice sounds funny.
My voice doesn't sound funny. It sounds like a voice. Yeah.
Voices do tend to sound like that.
Yeah, well, so let's get on talking about. Oh wait! You want to meet my friend?
Sure, I would love to see your friend.
Yeah. Here. Why don't you get a close look? His name is Larry the Leaf. Isn't it fantastic?
It is, Ralph, but I hate to break it to you. He's not living.
What do you mean he's not living? He's Larry the Leaf. Of course he lives.
Ralph, I'm sorry. He can't walk or talk or anything.
Hey, my name's Larry. Well, how dare you say mean things about my friend Larry the Leaf?
I'm sorry?
Yeah. You know what, Vishnu? You know what? Get out! You're not my friend anymore. Yeah. Larry the Leaf is always a friend to everybody. Hey, Lars. Well, I guess it was a very short visit, but I guess it's okay.